going to be located behind your glove box. And you're going to have to lower the glove box door. You can do that by pressing the sides of the glove box in. There's some stoppers right here that are kind of holding the glove box up. There's one on this side too. You have to pull this guy in too. Okay. And then you can lower the door. Your cabin filter is located in this thing right here. You're going to take this lid off. Comes off pretty easily. You just push this button in, okay? On each side it's going to have one of these. There's one over here too on that side, okay? So once you get these pressed in, you can take the door right off. There's the filter, okay? Just take note, it says airflow right there. If you're changing the filter out, you're going to want to copy that, okay? And the airflow is actually pointing down. Alright, and check this guy out. It's full of leaves and all kinds of other little critters and dirt and stuff like that. Gonna need to replace it because this guy is gross.